Okay. See, in most of the cases, we see that Y-shaped rod, how it has been working, and what is the use of Y-shaped rod, and what is the reason behind it as it works out. See, Y-shaped rod, in the sense we see that we can use either a neem stick or any other sticks which is Y in shape. But many people say that how to do it. Okay, normally people use a wire hanger to do it. I'm showing to do it with steel pipes. Okay, and how to measure it and what is the distance that is to be used. That is length, angle of curvature, and how it is to be done. Okay. First, we'll take a single piece from this one. This is a steel piece. You have to be very careful with the material you use. This is a steel one which is little flexible but not more flexible. Okay. This material should be able to get EMF or relativeness, that we say it as magnetic flux. It should be able to do it. The size of this diameter and the length of the Y-shaped rod depends upon where and how you use it and what will be the conditions for using it. Normally we see that we are using this wire structure. It is just like a wire hanger, but it is not as flexible, but it is not as strong. So first measure the distance between this, okay, according to your hand, then bend it. See, after bending, if you think that the distance is large, okay, to your hand, reduce it to a particular level. After finding it, just make equal distance of it using a cutting plier, cut it. Now that you can see that I am having a Y-shaped rod in my hand, okay, which has got a hand distance, angle, which with it can be done, or the needed angle product, which is a measured angle, and the type of it. Okay. See, this is a normal structure to do a Y-shaped rod. In the same way, you can see that you can either use a neem stick of this size or any other structures which exhibits this shape. Okay. Mainly we see in normal stages where people say you have to use a copper wire, okay, or an aluminum wire. Aluminum and copper, there are two problems in it. The angle of curvature always differs such that the measurement differs. So this I have done a Y-shaped simple rod. I'll say and I'll demonstrate whether it has worked. Okay. See, it is working. Actually, it depends upon the length, hand length, and this curvature. Be careful about those things. See. stone. Okay, this is how you make a Y-shaped rock.